Families here. Before I talk about my journey, before joining the force, before I applied, I didn't tell anyone about applying for the physical police force. I did it on my own while still at FNU, and when the application came out on social media, I applied without telling one or even telling mom or dad. And when I was still in Ranki last year, the names came out. But those were all the names that applied, not the one that were being chosen. So when the names came out, we sat down we were still in camp. We sat down, we talked about it, and I knew from there, mom and dad, like they didn't want me to join the force. They both disagreed. I kept on telling them that I wanted to join the force. It's always been my passion. And then we came earlier. We came earlier to Suba, me and Jason. Mom and dad were still in Bambi. And then we were to meet at Nasoba. The whole, how many thousands of participants that applied for the recruitment drive. I didn't, I didn't look back. I came with the money that I had. I didn't even tell mom and dad that I was going to Nasoba every single day, going and trying to get a spot in the police force.